Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about the random distributions within the Python. The compiler which we are using is the pycharm compiler. Now how we can draw a graph for the random distribution? First we need to import two of the modules. So the first module is import matplotlib.pyplot is we can say AA. So the first library is matplotlib.pyplot, and when if you have newly installed this pycharm, then you should have to go to file and go to new project setup and then go to settings for new project, and here you need to click on this plus sign, and from here you can write matplotlib. Okay, so this is, you can see this is installed. I have installed, but you need to click on install package, and then it will take around 4 to 5 minutes to install to perfectly install. Okay, then we need to import seaborn is like we can say a or SBS. Okay, it is just an object to like to access this module seaborn. Seaborn module is used for to draw the graph for random distribution. Okay, so these are our two main modules, and you also need to what's called as install the seaborn by using the same procedure as I told you earlier. Go and click on this and then seaborn, and you can see I have installed it, so no need to install again. So okay, now we need to write SBS. Okay, why we need to write SBS? Because SBS is an object that used to like access the seaborn, and we will write dist plot. Dist plot means distribution plot, and we need to enter the parameters on which we want to draw our distribution plot. They are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and these are the in the form of lists. So these are the input. Okay, input to the dist plot, that is distribution plot, and it will draw a distribution plot. And in order to what's called as in order to draw that graph, we just need to click on AA.show, and AA is matplotlib.show. Okay, and this library is used for to draw the matplotlib. Matplot library is actually from the MATLAB. Okay, so we can say it will show us the graph. Now you can see that we got our random distribution graph, and why it is like that, and why we can see it. You can see that our mean lies at 3. Okay, 3 is the mean. 3 is our mean. So our mean is in between 2 and 4, and we are getting majorly values here. Okay, now you must know that a majority of the values lies in between 2 and 4. Between 2 and 4 we can say, and if a value is less than this, then it must be it has a lower probability density. Okay, so you can see it. So in this way we can draw our graph for random distribution. Like if a value is in between 2 and 4, then its probability is nearly 0.2, and if it is in between -2 and 0 or 6 and 8, its probability is 0.05. You can see this is the probability density. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can draw a graph for random distribution within the pycharm. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.